Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your active currency on the 1inch Defi crypto wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 1inch crypto wallet app on your device. And after you have been logged into your wallet account, you will be taken into the wallet page. From here, if you wish to change the active currency, then simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. You will now see the settings option, from which the third option will be the currency. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose from the various currencies that are available, and you may also use the search box to search for your desired one. After finding your chosen currency, you can just click on it, and it will now be chosen right away. When you go back into your wallet page, you can now see the change right away, as your new currency is now being used. You can go back into the currency menu at any point of time, and then change it once again in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the active currency within the 1inch wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.